Hey guys, it's Igor from Inspired to Make. Today we're gonna make a whiskey glass out of wine bottle. Look at this. I found this bottle with a thick bottom that will be perfect for our whiskey glass. You've seen those tutorials online where people are cutting bottles, just making regular drinking glasses out of them. But today I'm gonna try to make something different, something with my own twist on that. Because this bottle has such a thick bottom, it will be a perfect tumbler glass for whiskey. We're going to cut it like this. It will be like a short tumbler glass and see how it works. Never done this before. Let's try. The tools and materials we're going to need for this project, it will be running water or a little tub of water with cold water in it. It's for temperature difference. Cotton string, some sort of a fuel to put a cotton string on fire, scissors or snippets, different sorts of sandpaper. And of course, safety is #1 priority for us. Oh. And this thing to light up the string. I never done this before. I saw a few tutorials online and I decided to try it. The trick is to put a string around the area you want to cut. Let's see. Yes! Next step, safety. It can take a few tries to do that. Maybe I don't think it's gonna crack on the first attempt. Okay, it's on fire, it's on fire, it's on fire. You rotate it, you get in. Nope, doesn't work. It didn't work the first time, so let's try to dip this string in our flammable solution before we put it on. Cut the excess. It looks so much better. Nope, it doesn't work. It's a failure. Again, reminds me of my life. I will try to put more string so it holds more liquid, more alcohol. Fire. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I think we get in there. Okay. Oh come on. I'm like losing patience with this thing. You motherfucker.
The next day.
It is the next day. I totally failed to cut this bottle with a burning rope, but I have a plan B. I'm going to make a special jig to cut this bottle and see how it will work. So here's my idea. I'm going to make the jig that supports the bottle and pushes it against the glass cutter. Easy and simple. And here's our jig. It's made out of 3/4 plywood with a glass cutter attached to it. The way it works is super simple. Align the bottle with the jig, start spinning it around, applying constant pressure on the glass cutter. Work your way around the bottle to create the squirt line on the glass. Oh yeah. Works so good. Takes some effort actually, but it works so much better than I expected. The squirrel line on this is so clean. It's amazing. And here's the trick to cutting the bottle. So I'm waiting for the cold water to start, and we will create this temperature difference with the hot boiling water and the cold water. Iterating between hot and cold temperatures will move around the molecules of the crystal structure of the glass, and eventually it will crack right at the score line. All the way around, evenly. Rapidly apply heat. See, and the crack popping right there. Wow! So good, so fast. It worked so much better than I expected. It created a perfect cut. Super straight. All we need to do is to remove the sharp edges of the glass by sanding it down with sandpaper. And the glass is almost ready.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what kind of project would you like to see next. Most interesting comments will be featured in my next video.